for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, power driver's seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.